in. What a sight to see, how did it all begin? Corporal Norm said help me.
Ready? Yep. Good morning. Yeah. 11:45 in the morning. I don't know how much of a video y'all gonna get because I forgot to charge my phone up last night. Well, the recorder thing. I guess it is a phone. We're gonna go fill out an application. But like I said, I don't know how good of a video y'all will get today. I consider a 12-minute video a good video. Okay. We applied for another application. Now we're heading back home. I'm not recording too much because of the wind. I'd say this truck tire's a little off, don't y'all say? Yeah, that truck tire has wires coming out of it. Can't get a good look at it because the air's out of it. We'll see y'all back at the house. Well, yeah, back at the house. I can tell y'all one thing, this wind is hard on breath. This wind is hard on breath mileage. Don't know nothing about gas mileage, but boy. Well, I'm not recording, so I gotta save some of my breath for the wind. We'll be right back. Good old evening, fellows and guys. And there's a flatbedder down here. Flatbedder. Don't know how long I can talk because I heard a train down yonder a while ago. We might get lucky. See what kind of stores are closed. Walk down a hill. Oh, that drink that my dad gave me seemed kind of energetic. Hey, this the deli's closed. Yeah, they're still open, but I don't want to go in right now. We might go get us a chocolate milk tomorrow morning. It's a video. I know somebody's probably going to get on here and say, we've seen this place 1,000 times. Well, guys, this is a video. I can't complain because at least I'm making a video. Right? Plus, we got supporters of this show. I don't know, they might be closed over there. Yep, Subway closed. They're closed. Here's the sign for Subway, guys. Take a picture of that. Sign for Subway. And of course, I already showed you this sign for the library where I go get my movies and stuff. Not for too long, the only store would be open is where we're going. Roads 101 Convenience. Oh, by the way, it is now 45 degrees. It's dropped down. Here's H&R Block. H&R Block is closed, so hope everybody got their taxes done. Let's see if Rhodes is open. There probably are. Somebody went boating. Look at that, guys. Somebody went to boating. Yeah, they're open. We'll be right back. Well, we got it, guys. Reason why I didn't record when we went up there a while ago was because they had their music bumping, and I didn't want to get copyrighted. Your video maker can't get copyrighted. Says I need to hear from my moderator, Trucking in Wyoming. I mean, the reason why I wanted to get with Trucking in Wyoming because he is a moderator for the channel now. And I was just going to give him a few items of what I don't expect too much out of y'all. As long as there's no drama. I know he knows to look out for drama. Drama, one, and a bunch of other stuff that's out there. I don't want, you know, it's like somebody want to give somebody their phone number. I don't want them to give them their phone number out loud on the channel. So, anyway. Let's watch this train before I end the clip. So, and if you want to be a moderator, all you have to do is support the channel. Which is sharing the videos, telling everybody that we're out here, and all that fun stuff.
Yeah, the world's largest truck convoy rolling down the road. To that special athlete, it means everything.